Quick but powerful TOEFL speaking message today. It's John from my speaking score. For every single person watching this, the ultimate goal in TOEFL speaking is simple. Get your response speed up to 150 words per minute. That's the golden number. I've looked at thousands and thousands of TOEFL speaking responses. This is the number you want to hit. That's the speed of high-scoring TOEFL speaking responses. Now, let's talk about the integrated tasks, 2, 3, and 4. To hit 150 words a minute, you need to be generating 150 words of content per minute. So 150 words of content, right? Here's how to think about it. Each response has 3 chunks, like 3 acts in a play. Each act is about 20 seconds long, and in each of those 20 seconds, you should be producing about 50 words. That's what 150 words per minute looks like in real time. It's actually about the speed I'm using right now. It's fast. It's fast. Now, ask yourself this. In your daily life, what are you doing that actually helps you speak faster in English? What helps you accelerate? Let's break it down. One way to speed up is to eliminate pauses. But that raises the question, right? Why are you pausing? Are you hesitating because you're unsure of what to say? Are you reaching for vocabulary you haven't fully mastered, right? Trying to find that fancy word. Do you lack command of a smooth transition or smooth transition phrases? Are you fighting through filler words or nervous silence? Whatever the cause, if you can identify what's slowing you down, you're halfway to fixing it. Sometimes it's not even your language ability. In most cases, I see on my speaking score, the proficiency level of these users is very high, right? It's not an English problem necessarily. It could be a framework problem, a TOEFL speaking response framework. Maybe your note-taking is sloppy or unclear. Are you writing down too much? You're writing down stuff in your first language that is causing cognitive problems, right? And it's causing you to slow down. It's interfering with your smooth, fast delivery of your responses. Maybe it's just anxiety. Like you have to figure it out. Look, even solid notes won't help you if your transitions are weak or if test anxiety creeps in when the clock starts ticking. All of these things combined, they slow you down, right? They cause you to pause, to fill your responses with right? To speak in chunks that feel unnatural to the listener. You'll see this in your TOEFL speaking data, in your SpeechRater data, distribution of pauses, pausing unnaturally, right? That score comes down when you're inserting too many pauses. Pause frequency, when you're doing it too often, you'll see that in your SpeechRater data, okay? Now, if you solve this problem, you're going to start to see your SpeechRater score goes up. When that goes up, your overall TOEFL speaking score goes up. Got me? So here's the takeaway. If you can figure out what's causing you to slow down, what's interfering with your fluency, you're well on your way to absolutely crushing your TOEFL speaking goals. Fluency is a proxy for speed, and speed is a proxy for delivery, and the delivery construct is really almost everything in TOEFL speaking. I hope that helps to get you to reflect on things that could be interfering with your fluency, and you just need a tool like my speaking score to measure your speaking speed and to make sure that you're staying on pace at 150 words per minute. That's the target. Okay. I hope this was helpful, and as usual, happy practicing.